Welcome back, my YouTube family. This is Road Tripping with C. I figure I'll do a voiceover on the part later, but this is the intro to this video because it's a lot of stuff that was going on. This all happened during the summer and just before we were ready to leave for Florida, going down for the winter. Originally he thought it was 2 weeks, but it turned out to be 3 weeks. I'm going to walk you through it, but I figure I'll give you a little intro since I haven't seen you. Happy New Year, my family. I hope all is well. I hope you're living your dream or trying to live your dream, because that's all I'm trying to do too. I'm trying not to sweat as I go through, but this is just an intro. Battery, catalytic converter, let my 6-wheel baby sit too long. So let's get into it. Story time. It was a busy summer and I didn't really go up to see my vehicle in storage for over 3 months and my battery was dead. So my lesson from there, never let my vehicle sit over 3 months without taking care of them, and getting her and starting her up and stuff like that. But check out this video because this will tell you a little bit of what I was doing, because I really didn't go because I was kind of up in New Hampshire. But that's not even it. That was just the first thing. The second thing was I got a call for where I store my vehicle, and all of a sudden she says, your vehicle was vandalized. My heart dropped. I'm letting you hear it. Don't it sound loud? It is extremely loud. But this was their answer to the vandalism. I can't control the situation, but I can control my reaction. It was never anyone in that box. I went up there 3 times after everything happened, and all there was a blue box with no one there. So I'm just showing you what it looked like. They did a clean cut. They zip, and going from what the police have told me, this is a $1 billion business. There's some valuable metal in the catalytic converters. They're doing it in cars, trucks, RVs, but they do it really quick. They can do it in minutes. I'm just showing you the new catalytic converter because I'm down in Florida. That's where the background is. But all I can say is thank you, Marco, because I was kind of panicking. That's why I said your reaction. You got to kind of sometimes step out of the situation and just think about it. And I meditate on it. But thank you, Marco. Thank you for all the work you have done. You got me down here on time like I wanted. So I am so grateful. But again, I'm just showing you around. But family, it's just your reaction. So life is 10% of what happens to me and 90% of how I react to it. And I'm talking to myself, fam, but I'm talking to you too. I want you to learn from my lessons. So fam, let's react a little better. That's all I'm saying. We have to learn how to react a little bit better, because we're always going to have situations. We're human. It's just like a domino effect. Your reaction starts a chain reaction, good or bad. It's your choice. You're in control. It's your choice. And get out there and enjoy this big, beautiful world. Peace, love, and happiness.